This is John Rowland with Highland Lapidary, and since I already did one little EverClean video today, I'm actually going to shoot another one here for you that shows you what it looks like to service your EverClean. Now basically, I'm running this saw right now. I'm cutting some agate, and I've turned off my EverClean because I wanted to check and see is my can full. So basically I started doing this and then I said, all right, I'm going to do a video here. So I've already loosened my screws on the top, and how I check it is if I put my finger in here and I can touch mud, like right here, you can see there's mud. So this has separated all this mud. I've loosened the lid. Now this lid just turns a little bit and I can lift it off. And what you see is a can full of mud. Okay, so now all I'm doing is I'm gonna pull the can out, which has got all my mud, and my saw is still cutting agate. And then I get my new can, plop it down in here, shove it all the way down. My lid ring. I'm gonna take it down, and I gotta make sure it's sitting all the way down. And the most important part of putting this back is making sure I get it aligned. So as I tighten these screws up, I'm making sure that that inner lip of the can is sitting down inside the drum. Because I got a little spring load between the top of the lid and that seal. And it looks like it's coming down perfectly because I can see there's no gap when I look down that hole. And I just snug on it. They don't need to be really tight, don't over tighten them, but I just go around because sometimes it takes a moment to seep down. And I like to wipe the muck off here. It just doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm a little lazy, you'll see. I don't even put the screws in the top, but it doesn't really need them unless you have a flimsy saw and the mounting isn't good, then it shakes more than I like. But on our saw, the side of that saw is heavy enough that it doesn't shake at all, and just taking the mud out.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.